Stella and her babies.
But she's being mean to them.
No, she's not. She's just, it's time for them to quit eating.
Maybe we need to put her in that room with Bailey.
It's okay.
So they won't chase after her.
No, it's good for them. They need to run around and get some exercise.
Oh, yeah.
That's what they're doing.
They're playing with their mama. Be careful.
How's that stop?
There's little Bella.
Stella, my sweetie.
She looks like her mama Stella.
Yeah, she's my sweetie. She's mine. She's the one that I love. Her head is small. She's like...
You getting in that trash?
No, she's not.
Oh, she's just...
Oh.
You getting mad at them, ain't you, baby? They won't leave the boobies alone.
Bella's just like right on her tail.
Puppies, puppies everywhere.
We're on pet patrol. We're on puppy patrol.
Somebody found some water.
He's in the water.
That's Stella.
Climbing in the food bowl.
Not
Get to the
Bella.
water.
Yeah. Oh, it's thirsty.
Oh, Mama, Bella hit her head.
Oh.
But she okay. She a big girl. See, there's Patches for Princess. Patches.